All right, I wanted to cover a couple automations that I am using to make content creation a little more streamlined and easy. I made a commitment this year to do more content, so I use these two automations to help just make it faster and easier. It allows me to kind of just create a video and then they'll work to convert the same content that I cover in the video into a post for LinkedIn. Is automatically done to get to a draft blog post that I just need to review, fine tune, put some links in, and then it's good to go. So let's take a look at the two automations that make this workflow work. The first is audio to transcript. So when I record a video, when I'm done recording it, I'll extract the audio just manually with VLC. You could automate that, but there's not a lot of value in that for the volume that I do. So I just manually extract the WAV file, then I put it onto this Google Drive where I've got a folder for blog post transcripts and just the main YouTube projects folder for the audio files. So that'll trigger this audio to transcript workflow. If we look at it, so it monitors that folder for when a file's added. Then it uses Assembly AI, which is a third-party service through their API to extract the audio or the text from that audio, so it creates a transcription from the video file. This transform data step is not a big deal to worry about. This is just for the file naming so that you don't get multiple extensions. And then it creates a document with the transcript on the Google Drive under the transcripts folder. And that will trigger the other automation, which is transcript to blog post. So when there's a new file added to transcripts, then we'll fetch that file. We'll feed it into Claude with a prompt that explains or kind of sets the tone and expectations on how Claude should create this draft blog post. Claude Sonnet will take that in, create the document, and then put the draft blog post in the blog posts folder on the YouTube drive or on the Google Drive. So it's a handy little automation workflow that helps when you're creating content for multi-channel. You could expand this into creating, a thread for X or different posts for Instagram or Facebook that are more geared towards the way that you post on those platforms. I just generally use it for LinkedIn because that's all that we're doing for right now mostly. So yeah. Audio file creates a transcript that gets monitored and then creates a blog post. So if you look at the Rome meeting prep blog post, this was the draft that I was just able to work from to create the post on LinkedIn that accompanied the video on YouTube. So if you have any questions about how automations like this could help you, then please feel free to either comment or hit me up on LinkedIn or check out our site at ops.express. And have a great day.